So you've come here today to know how to make traditional Irish soda bread. Well, look no further, because I will show you how easy and hassle-free it will be to make this delicious bread that takes minimum effort and guarantees perfect results every single time. So follow me over this way for the ingredients. So the ingredients that are needed for this bread, you probably already have at home. You're going to need wholemeal flour, plain flour, salt, sugar, melted butter and buttermilk.
Just try not to do it like me and actually get it into the glass. That's more like. Next, just sift all your dry ingredients into a bowl. Make a well in the center for your wet ingredients.
And then we're going to take our buttermilk and add it into the flour.
Mix it together with a fork and add in your butter. Once the dough comes together, transport it out onto a floured surface and knead it just a couple of times. We don't want to overwork it here because it's going to make the bread tough and chewy. Roll it into a ball and set it aside.
Now, 2 tips I have for you just before you put your bread in the oven. About 15 minutes ago, I put a heavy duty tray into the oven to get up the temperature. This will ensure that the bread bakes from the bottom and all around, ensuring a nice even steady rise to the bread. Now, to get the bread from there onto the tray, I recommend using greaseproof paper. Lay your bread on top of that to make it easier to transport it straight into the oven.
So we've flattened out our bread to 1 inch thickness, and we're just going to make a cross in the bread to ensure even cooking right through to the center. We brush it with egg wash, sprinkle with some oats, that's optional of course, and bake it in an oven at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes.
You know when your bread is done because when you lift it up and you tap it, it's going to sound hollow. Is there any other better smell in the world than the smell of freshly baked bread? I'm not sure there is. This is the results of a simple recipe. Give it a try. Let me know if you try it, how it tastes in the comments below. Thanks for watching.